Hello, friends. There's an old proverb: you can't have your cake and eat it too. This means if you have your cake and then if you eat it, you will be left with nothing. This is something I've been wanting to discuss, share with you, because I've been talking to people. I have spent my career, some part of it also interviewing candidates. Currently, with my other associations with the sound industry, I'm interviewing successful celebrity status people from the sound industry, award winning people. And something that I'm gathering from all the learnings from interviewing these successful people is that they all started small. They, so many of them tell me that, uh, I was, I went for my first job and I didn't care. I didn't even ask what was my salary. I managed somehow and I learned. And today I'm a leader in that industry or in that segment. You can hear these stories from everyone who is very successful in a certain field. What bothers me is some people, especially youngsters of this generation who are born with the smartphone, they have definitely got more needs than what we had at their age in terms of financial needs, because they need their internet data to be recharged, they need to use a fancy phone, they have, some of them want to go to Starbucks. So I understand all that, but um, when you are trying to reach out to seek a job and take an experience and shape your career, that's not exactly the time for you to try and negotiate, ask foolish questions like, will I get, how many weekly offs will I get, how many holidays are there as per your these, every company has its own HR policies. However, what's in it for me attitude is something that should be earned with some more experience, in life. So people, I mean, I'm not discounting formal education in any way. However, most people who are very successful and aces in their own fields will tell you this, and you get to hear this all the time, that it was the experience, and especially the first job, the second job, those experiences which shaped their career into becoming what they became. So I think people should focus more on learning and show the enthusiasm and willingness to jump into the fire while seeking a new or first opportunity, first job opportunity, to be able to have that positive attitude and show it to your probable prospective employer to get that opportunity and and make the most of that opportunity. That is, it's like you're getting paid to do a course. I mean, what more would you want? How much am I getting paid is not a concern to be focused on in that stage of life. So please keep this in mind, that your first job, your second job are just courses. They are going to shape you. You have to just absorb and be open to learning everything that you can, and that's how you can accelerate your career. Having a little broader mindset is key to this. Not having this attitude of, I want to have my cake and eat it too. You cannot do both. You have to look at the bigger picture. I been counseling people. I've been talking to a few people. Somebody came up to me with an idea that, my business is down because of this world crisis, and um I'm thinking of getting into frozen foods, and I'm going to make these samosas and freeze them and sell them. And I'm looking at this much sales, the demand is high. And I was like, great, try it out. Know that you're competing with big brands, established brands, and try it out. However, don't expect from day one or month one or even year one to book that much of a profit. There is a struggle period. Everybody, it's organic growth. Everything is organic. If I give you a mango which was grown in 10 days from a plant to a tree to a the fruit, wouldn't you be suspicious while eating it? Are you going to actually go and eat it? You're going to think a lot about it. It's not organically grown. So think about what I'm saying. This is important because there's so many brilliant minds I have seen while interviewing people for jobs, that they lose that opportunity because of small thinking and wanting everything in the first go. On that note, I wish you a very, very happy Independence Day.